Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a South Bend 13 by 30 lathe. It is a newer one in that it's got the Camlock spindle. It has hardened bedways that are in excellent shape. The screws are fairly tight. I mean, there's a little backlash, but that's about normal, which actually might even be an adjustment because this model has the taper attachment. There's taper attachment, telescoping steady rest, 3-jaw chuck. There go the OD jaws, Handwheel Collet Closer, face plate, little plate that you put in when you have the adapter in. We do have the adapter for the 5C collets. Someone made up my dial indicator. Stop there. Collet rack with collets, live center, and a tailstock chuck. We have a handful of other little miscellaneous items laying around. Machine runs excellent. We'll run it first. Let's get in the back here. Nice and quiet. The half nuts engaged. Threading, inch only. Take it out of the back here. There we go. Now we're in direct drive. And we longitudinal feed. This is cross feed. Feeding out. Stop. Reverse direction. Now we're feeding in. Okay. There you have it. We don't bring in a lot of these machines anymore because they're hard to find clean enough for our standards, but this one makes the cut. It's a nice clean machine. Forgot to mention it's got an Aloris Toolpost on it with one holder. But check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.